Hello everyone. So this video is to tell you guys that new coding batches are starting from 1st of February 2022. If you want to be a part of those amazing coding classes, you can get yourself registered on the number provided in the description section. You can contact me anytime to know the details of the courses. Right, so there are various courses which you can take. You can select from if you want to become a full stack developer, in which you will be taught website development. You can take that. If you want to go with some artificial intelligence related course, you can take that course from me. If you want to start, if you are a beginner and you want to start from the beginning, if this coding field is new to you or you are new to the coding field, you can take the beginner course, so which will cost you rupees 500 per month. And if you want to take some advanced course, you can definitely contact me on the numbers which are there in the description section. So this is it from my side in this video. Have a great day ahead. Hope to see you soon in the coding classes. Bye bye and take care all of you.